Welcome back to Ingwa News. Ponjekars against casinos have filed a complaint at Panjim police stations, alleging that offshore casinos on Mandovi River are allowing entry to minors and those below 21. The group has urged authorities to take strict action and enforce legal age restrictions.
Old shall be allowed entry by the licensee on an offshore vessel, as well as in licensed premises where the licensee installs and operates games of electronic amusements or slot machines in a five-star hotel. So the Goa Gambling Act is very, very clear that you cannot allow anybody under 21 to be on board an offshore vessel, which is one of the six casino ships. But we have seen 20 years now. This notification was passed in 2012. 10 वर्ष झाली 12 वर्ष झाली 14 वर्ष झाली. But we still see families, children, everybody going on board the boats. Children are having birthday parties on the boats. School children from Panjim are having birthday parties on the casino vessels. So we have forwarded a complaint to the police today with evidence. So our complaint is a document which explains all the illegalities, including the violation of the Children's Act. We have asked for FIR to be filed against the board of directors of the six casinos, and there's proof. So from the casino's own websites, we have not taken these photos. Okay, there are photos of parties of children having parties on the boat, children enjoying themselves, wristbands given to children. These are special packages for children. Children under 21s and babies and toddlers, everybody's got a package, special rates. They don't go in for free. Okay, so all the boats have their own rates. Casino Pride shows children at the gaming table. So this is an ad with a family there and a gaming table in front. So children at gaming tables. Play areas. These are all from their websites. I have not made this up. Okay. Photos of children's play areas on the boats. These are videos on YouTube showing kids' parties. Plus, we have also asked that these boards, which normalize poker tournaments, all sorts of gaming tournaments, casino ads on highways and public places, in schools. So these are also barricades that are shown in schools. Which these all normalize casinos for children, for young minds. And these have to be removed and action has to be taken immediately. You go on YouTube, you will see lots of videos showing how to go on a casino tour with your family. So if you want help and advice, everybody is telling you how to go on Big Daddy casinos or any other casinos. There's plenty of advice there. So this cannot be allowed. When the law is very clear that under 21s cannot go on a casino vessel, this has to be acted on and this has to be stopped. So we have requested the police to take immediate action and please stop this illegality.
Under Section 8 of Goa Children's Act, you cannot allow induce children into gambling. There's Section 1321, which clearly states that children cannot be induced into gambling. And these advertisements, whether they are online, whether they are on barricades, whether they are on hoardings, all these uh, advertisement are an offense under the Goa Children's Act. And we have asked the PI, Mr. PI Chodankar, to register an FIR immediately against all the casinos, one, for allowing entry into the vessel, and secondly, for all the advertisements that are taking place for inducing children into gambling, because we have advertisements in educational institutions also. You go to law college, you go to polytechnic, outside Sharda Mandir, everywhere these ads are there. Now some have been removed, but in some places it still exists.
This is a very serious issue because from 2012, the notification is from 2012 and now we are in 2026. No, nothing has been done. This has been going on for so many years, so it's time that this stops. And along with everything else, the illegalities we are finding, this is a very serious one because it involves children and minors.
The gaming commissioner is supposed to monitor this, and the gaming commissioner has not done anything.
तेंका हरशीं अलाउड ना तरी आमी पळयता कसिनो वेसल्साचेर स्पेशल किड्स झोन म्हणून आसता तांचो सो तो कसो अलाव केलो तरी इतले करपाचें
Exactly, it's illegal आसा.
Why is not
पण
allowed
पण
in
पण ते गेमिंग एरियान आसा कित्याक तेंचे रेस्टॉरंट आरे ओपन डेकान आसता
So the casino license
Madam,
not go
madam, the
on
casino vessel is
The whole
registered
vessel
as
is a
a.
casino.
It is registered license. Casino vessel is registered as a casino vessel or cruise vessel.
Casino vessels.
Floating hotel.
Offshore vessels, the whole vessel is considered as a casino. There is no special section or anything. For land licenses, in our investigation, we have found when you have five-star hotels which have this, the gaming area is very clearly mentioned. So many square meters is the gaming section. So children can go in the restaurant and other places.
So-
but offshore licenses, there is not one license.
So full vessel registered as a casino vessel.
Yeah, the whole vessel is registered as a.
So if you read it, no person below the age of 21 years shall be allowed entry by the licensee on an offshore casino vessel. The
And-
word vessel is used.
And we have checked the licenses. Not a single license has the gaming area demarcated for offshore vessels. It is there for land, but not on the ships. So, which means the whole whole vessel is
Vessel.
considered to be
Considered as a casino.
Yes.
But if I'm not mistaken, the license is charged as per the square
Not for the
area.
ships.
Square area.
Yeah.
Based on the area of gaming floor is the license fees charged. So they have X area that they pay, but there are other areas which they have restaurants and upper deck, like they have got you spoke about casino price. They have the upper deck where they have parties and all those functions and all. Those kids and all are allowed. At least in the past we have seen. So are you saying
But
that?
it does not hold for offshore vessels? What you're saying might work for the five-star hotel because although you're going into the casino, one area is for the kids and one kids zone, creche, everything they've got. And the gaming area on those licenses is very clearly mentioned. So many square meters is the gaming area. But offshore vessels don't have anything.
It says
Their rates are not for offshore vessels. The rates are not per section.
And the license is not given based on square meter,
Yeah.
it is based on the capacity, the
Capacity
number of people
for
allowed
vessels.
on the vessel.
So for offshore licenses, the vessels are the categories are by capacity.
Madam, now you said it's a offshore casino.
Yes.
So offshore casino should be anchor on the one place or it should move from the in the river.
Definition of offshore is 12 nautical miles from the baseline outside the inland waters. Now that matter is still in court. It's still being decided. But actually, it should all be outside.
It should not be anchored at one place.
Already
breaking the law.
Talk about the territorial.
Yes.
Yeah. So the Goa Gambling Act clearly says that it should be within the territorial waters. Territorial waters means sea waters. It's not just different from river water,
River
and
water.
inland water.
So if they don't have kids zone and all, how will the parents who are traveling, who are tourists, who wants to
You
visit
should
the
not be
casino?
going to casinos with your kids. They have
Make alternate
problems.
arrangements
Or they
outside the
can- if you-
casino.
or they
But we
can-
don't even want people to go to
If
the
you
casino.
find that there's an establishment which has prostitutes or which is actively giving your alcohol to teenagers, and would you take a child there? How is this any different? How is gambling any different from prostitution, alcohol, and all of these other vices and addictions? You would not take a child
the
there.
problem is that we have normalized casino gambling. That's why you're asking this question also. Would you take a child into a prostitute?
Okay, because this is such a serious issue, we have asked the police these points. They have to register an FIR against the directors of the company. Okay, urgently. They have to investigate the allegations that we have made of under 21s being allowed to enter the ships. Third is initiate proceedings for cancellation of licenses as the premises were used to allow minors and under 21s in violation of the Goa Public Gambling Act and the Goa Children's Act. Recover all the illegal revenue because they have made money on these children coming. The children tickets are 2,000, 3,000, I don't know what the rates are. But children are paid to enter, they have to recover all this money because it's illegal. And fifth, pending cancellation of license, they have to seal all the operations of the casinos as the offences are cognizable and they are continuing. They're going on, so this has to be stopped.
तुम्ही कितलो टाइम दिता समज तुम्ही डिमांड मागल्या पळय कितलो टाइम दिता समज याच्या फुडें कितें करतलो
We have asked the PI to lodge an FIR, and so we asked him because we have just given the complaint. So he said as soon as the FIR is lodged, he will give us a call. He will inform us. Of course, agitation. What else?
So we will have to take
go to the
we
court.
will for being commissioner. We'll do all that.
Ma'am, last time also you people came regarding the signboard of the casino.
Yes,
What
sir.
happened to that?
80%
Now-
of this Actually, even the police PI said, even CCP even took their barricades, which they have brought back. So 80% of the barricades in the city have been
tires.
removed after our complaint. And that is a huge victory for
And we are
us, and
going
it
to get all
proves
of
that
them.
it's ongoing.
To get all of
CCP is in the process of painting the barricades and replacing with their Swachh Sarvekshan boards. So casinos have been removed, and we are giving Commissioner a list of barricades that are still there. So if you all know of barricades,